This is the third video of a series of 5 layout demo for Sonny BBQ. Let's go to layout and then we'll create a new layout. This is going to be a dynamic, a mixture of dynamic and static menu. So we're going to call it Sonny BBQ dynamic menu. What we do is that we have two regions. The left region will contain the static image of the menu, the 2 pages menu, and the right region will have a mixture of video and still image. So go ahead and add another region there. So we'll have 2 regions. We could have a title menu also, but I'll skip that. And let's go ahead and fix the region. So right now the region is fixed. Let's go ahead and finish the first region, the left one. As mentioned, we are going to add 2 menu page to the left region. So the way you do that is you add, so you get the first page and you get the second page, and we can actually interchange them, the order of them. So for now we have, should have 2 pages, so we should do page 1 and page 2. And also we are going to because we have different media, still image and video running side, along, on one on the left side, on the one on the right side. We need to set the duration. So for the first image, we're going to give it, the default 10 seconds, but we are going to give it, like I'll give it 15 seconds. And you can see here show 15 seconds. We can change it later. So we're going to give the other also 15 seconds. Let's save it. For the second region, double click that so that we can, and then we go to the library. We are going to add a bunch of still image and video. Okay, let's see. We're going to add, this is a video, and let's go, and then we add 2, let the image. Let's go ahead and add this image, and then add a video, and then go back and add another image. And add the this one, and then add the last image for the desert. So the way I do is I add a video and I add the BBQ. You know, I'm going through a sequence right there. And since it's a video, we should like it going through and run completed. For the still image, let's go ahead and give it 10, maybe give it 15 seconds. And then all the still image, you know, let's go ahead and give it 15 seconds. So you can see here, when we add the duration in there, if we don't add the duration, it will take, you know, the default 10 seconds. So let's save it, and then let's preview, see how it works. So you have the menu on the left and the video on the right. And you see the menu flip to the second page. And then the still image is showing. Actually 15 seconds seem to be long for the still image, so we probably reduce it maybe go to 5 seconds, because I don't think the still image is that interesting. However, I probably would change the duration of the menu to maybe 20 seconds each. So right now it cycled through the let's go ahead and stop the preview and make the change again. So I think we should change to a little bit longer for the menu, because, you know, sometimes people read it, they need some time to be able to read it. However, you know, for the on the right hand side, we don't really need to show the picture that long, so I'm going to change to 5 seconds. The video, we have to let it run all the way, so we know, you know, we should, you know, set. So let's go ahead and change to okay, now let's save it, and then let's preview it. Another thing is that normally you may want to turn off the sound on the TV, on the display, because some of the audio, it could be distracting. And also in the restaurant, you know, sometimes you may want people to be able to talk to each other, and the video can be annoying. So the image should flip faster than the menu itself, because the menu you may want people to be able to read it. But for this image, a 5 second probably good enough. And so you have the desert right here on top, and so this is a promotion video that I grabbed from the Sonny BBQ corporate website. Actually, this is desert, and that could be the end of it. So right here you can click on play again, but I think this is long enough. So anyway, so we have create 3 layout already. One is the default layout. The other one is the static menu. Basically just show the menu side by side. And the third layout is the dynamic menu, where you have the menu on the left hand side and a mixture of still image and video on the right hand side.